have you ever wondered why time seems to flow from past to future and never the other way around? What if our universe's mysterious arrow of time is written into its very waves? Welcome to Frequency Wave Theory, where we explore how everything that exists may be part of one vast cosmic symphony and how that might explain time's relentless march forward. In physics, we have equations that mostly look time-symmetric, meaning in theory, they shouldn't mind running backward or forward, but in reality, a broken egg doesn't spontaneously reassemble. The universe definitely has a direction, an arrow of time. How do we reconcile our everyday experience of irreversibility with these seemingly reversible laws? Enter entropy, that measure of disorder that almost always increases. But we need a deeper explanation, something that ties in the fact that it all started with the Big Bang. Imagine the Big Bang as the ultimate wave event, an immense surge of perfectly aligned frequencies. According to frequency wave theory, the entire universe began in a state of near-perfect coherence, like a massive chord played on the grandest cosmic instrument. But as the universe expanded, these waves spread out and started to lose sync, like an orchestra with instruments drifting out of tune. That drifting or wave decoherence is the heart of why time's arrow points forward. Normally, when physicists talk about entropy, they mention the tendency for things to go from order to disorder. In frequency wave theory, we recast disorder as phase scrambling, the loss of perfect alignment among cosmic waves. Over time, waves get so jumbled it becomes nearly impossible to realign them. This is why you don't see a broken glass unbreak. Reversing that scramble would require an absurd level of phase coordination. So, even though the underlying equations allow time to run backward, practically speaking, the universe's initial conditions plus the unstoppable spread of wave phases make that backward run overwhelmingly unlikely. Hence, time's arrow, the forward flow we all experience. The second law of thermodynamics, entropy must increase, becomes wave decoherence must grow. The more the universe expands, the more the waves scatter, the higher the entropy climbs. What about the far future? If the universe expands forever, we get what's called heat death, a state of total wave uniformity where there's no more energy to do anything interesting. The arrow of time essentially disappears because nothing changes anymore. But if the universe someday collapses into a big crunch, could that force the waves back into coherence? Theoretically, maybe. In practice, it might be a chaotic meltdown, not a gentle re-choreography. So there's a tiny glimmer of possibility that time could run in reverse, but it's a huge cosmic question mark. Time's arrow isn't just a curiosity, it's central to our everyday lives, to how we perceive cause and effect, and even how we experience free will. Frequency wave theory reminds us that beneath it all might lie a vast sea of waves playing out irreversibly from one cosmic chord. Could our consciousness itself be a pocket of recoherence within the great cosmic wave scramble? Perhaps, giving us a fleeting sense of control within an ever-expanding wave tapestry. So the next time you watch ice melt a clock tick or the sunset, remember, it's all part of a cosmic wave pattern drifting away from its perfect Big Bang harmony. Time marches on because the universe's waves are drifting, scattering, dissolving into a grand cosmic composition, one from which there's no rewinding, at least not until maybe billions of years from now, if at all. That's frequency wave theory's take on why we have a one-way arrow of time. If you found this intriguing, share it with a fellow cosmic explorer and keep asking the big questions about time, space, and our place in this symphony of waves. Because in exploring them, we might just tune into the most profound mysteries of existence itself. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts about the arrow of time.